Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Kraken app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go here above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on security here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here Authenticator app, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You click here or add Authenticator app, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You copy here your code or click here on continue here. So add code here, then click on enter. Then it's going to add with you here your authentication code on your app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.